Hi, welcome to Go Animal, a location-based iPhone and Android game. In the game, players form teams and physically move around the city to capture territory. The first version of the game will be set in Seattle. Team members travel around the city to find and collect markers that can be used to capture area. As markers are collected, they turn into waypoints and are added to the inventory. The player can then move to a location where he or she wants to drop a waypoint. Once 3 or more waypoints are dropped within a certain distance of each other, a territory is created. A team can also capture another team's entire territory by surrounding it. Special items will also be hidden on the map. When collected, they will activate a team's special ability. Each team will have hundreds of players competing for their position on the leaderboard and for street cred in their neighborhood. If you want to see this game made and programmed in Seattle, please contribute. Thank you very much.